So you want to learn how to properly do a kettlebell deadlift so you don't end up hurting your back or feeling like a total noob. Well, in this video I'm going to show you step by step how to properly deadlift a kettlebell so you can add it into your workout. Hey, what's going on? Keith Nunez here, Doctor of Physical Therapy with Good Rehabits, giving you tips on exercise and rehab to help you take care of your body so you can take care of the things that matter most. So the deadlift, great exercise for the glutes, hamstrings, quads, back. Honestly, one of my favorite exercises. So first you're going to start with your feet shoulder width apart and the kettlebell between your feet. Then with your back straight, bend at your hips and your knees, but mostly at the hips. Now if you don't know how to hip hinge like this, check out the video I did about hip hinging in the card above. If you're having trouble bending far down enough at your hips without your back rounding out, try using a wider stance. Then you're going to grip the handle tight with both hands. Tighten up your core to keep your back from bending whenever you lift. And then you're going to straighten up your entire body by driving your hips forward. The focus should be on extending the hips. So if you just imagine just pushing down through your legs, you might straighten out your knees before your hips, which will put the wrong kind of stress on your back. Now if you do it right, the kettlebell will rise up in a straight vertical line rather than shifting forward. Then you reverse the movement, keep your back neutral, and hip hinge and squat to bring the kettlebell back to the starting position, following that same vertical line. As far as how many sets and reps to do for this exercise, I'll probably recommend 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps to really build up those muscles. But of course it also depends on how difficult the deadlift feels. If you have a heavier kettlebell and it's pretty tough, then you might reduce the number of reps. Or if it's pretty light, then you could probably add some more. So if you want to learn how to do more kettlebell exercises at home or in the gym, check out this playlist here, and I'll see you in the next video.